Hi, my name is Yuri and welcome to BLAU Parts. This is a product overview on our DSG transmission fluid and filter change kit. This kit is used in the Audi and Volkswagen 02E DSG transmissions. This kit includes 6 liters of the Revenol DCT DSG transmission fluid, the transmission filter and O-ring, the drain plug washers, a fluid filling adapter kit, and some instructions. When it comes to the Revenol DCT DSG transmission fluid, it's made in Germany and has been specifically developed and engineered for the Audi and Volkswagen DSG style transmissions. This fluid meets the VW TL52182 fluid specification, or also known as part number G052182A2. This is the only DSG fluid specification that should be used in your Audi or VW transmission. If you don't specifically see that specification indicated on the bottle, it's not the proper fluid for your transmission. The Revenol DCT DSG fluid offers exceptional long-term performance and reliability for your transmission. To learn more about the benefits of using this fluid in your transmission, you can visit our website. We also have the transmission filter and sealing O-ring. These are OEM components and allow for the exact same filtration, fitment, and flow as the genuine components. Also, we have a fluid filling adapter and hose. This is a cost-effective and equivalent tool to the factory tool VAS 6262 and is a necessary tool for the transfer of the fluid into the transmission. Also, we have the drain plug sealing washers, which are identical to the original sealing washers. Also, we have the instructions. These are step-by-step illustrated instructions to help guide you through the process of changing the fluid and the filter in your DSG transmission. These instructions also contain the proper transmission fluid leveling sequence that is necessary for the 02E Audi VW DSG transmission. So that's an overview on our DSG transmission fluid and filter change kit. If you have any questions on our BLAU transmission fluid and filter change kits, or if you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call or visit our website at blauparts.com. Thanks for watching.